Welcome to Endone, guys. This channel will bring you the latest news, tips, and tricks to help you make the most of your Android devices. Today's video is about what to do when your Android system update fails to install. Here's how an Android phone user describes the issues from the forum. I bought this phone yesterday and transferred all the data from my old phone. But I encountered an installation error when I tried to update to the latest version. Everything else on the phone is fine, but I've tried several times since yesterday, and each time it shows an installation error. I want to know how to fix the Android update failed to install error. Can anyone help me? We understand that you might be facing the same problems when you reach here. When you want to know how to fix Android system update failed to install, don't panic. To help you out, we'll explain why and how to fix the problem to get your device working again. Cause 1. Unstable network connection. The solution is to check your network. Every update installation requires a stable network connection. If the network is unstable, you are likely to get an Android system update failed to install error. Therefore, you must ensure a stable network connection when updating your Android system. Please immediately check if your network connection is working properly and if you can access the internet. Cause 2. Insufficient battery power. The solution is to charge your phone. Insufficient battery power is also one of the reasons why system updates fail to install on Android phones. Some updates take a long time to install, so the Android device needs to maintain a certain battery level. Otherwise, there may not be enough power to support the entire download and installation process. Therefore, you need to charge your phone and keep it charged until the update is complete. Cause 3. Insufficient storage space. The solution is to check and clean up storage space. Every Android system update requires a certain amount of memory. If the network and battery power on your Android phone are normal, then insufficient memory may be the reason why your Android phone keeps failing to install system updates. To troubleshoot this problem, checking or cleaning up storage space is necessary. Please open your phone settings, find and click Storage in Settings, and then check if the remaining space on the storage screen is less than 15%. If it is less than 15%, please free up storage space, delete unnecessary files, or upload some files to the cloud. Afterward, restart your Android device and try updating again to see if it works properly. Cause 4. Temporary software glitch. The solution is to restart your phone. Android devices store temporary files or cache while running to improve device performance. However, these temporary files or cache may encounter problems, leading to system update installation problems on your Android phone. Don't worry, these temporary glitches are easily cleared. You just need to restart your Android phone. Therefore, restarting your device is worth a try. Here are the steps to restart your Android phone. Press and hold the power button until the restart screen appears. Then tap the restart icon or button. Your Android phone will automatically restart to the home screen. You can also find the power off icon or button on the restart screen. Turn off your Android phone, wait for about a minute, and then turn it back on. If it's a temporary glitch, restarting your phone will help eliminate the problem. Finally, try updating the system again. If a temporary glitch caused the Android system update to keep failing to install, then restarting should solve the problem. Cause 5. Outdated device. The solution is to replace your device. The latest Android system updates may not support older devices. Therefore, if your Android phone is too old, you will experience failures in Android system update installation no matter how many times you try to update. You can check online to see if your phone still supports the latest system updates. That's the end of the video. If you still have questions about your device, type them down in the comments. If this helps you fix the Android system update failed to install error issue, feel free to give this video a like, and also comment below to tell us which method works. Alright now, don't forget to subscribe to Endone and turn the notification bell on to stay tuned with our latest uploads. Thanks for watching this video and hope you have a good day.